Oh, I'm very proud. Like I say, these students that come through here, we're not teaching them to have a job, we're teaching them to have a career. The outlook now, in 5 years after being in trade, it is not unusual to make $70,000 and more a year.
It feels more of kind of like an easy laid-back job where you're not going to get yelled at by your boss. So it's just kind of like you're learning, and then you're going to go at a pace of what you're learning, and not everything has to be done. So it's not like school at all. It's kind of easy, and it's fun.
To get them to care about what they're learning, you have to show that you care about them first as a person. And it's the old adage that Jim Truss used to say, they don't care how much you know until you know how much you care. And again, it's working at this place gives us a lot of latitude in helping students, not just in the trade, but in their personal lives. You can show how much you care for those students. There's always a demand for a plumber. If building slows down, it doesn't matter. There's always service work to do. Plumbers are always needed. It can't be outsourced. It can't be done by someone in another country. They always have to have plumbers.